There's a lot of Hilton Grand Vacation locations around Vegas. It's confusing to know where you are. But look at this one right here. This is 455. I'm not sure what road they're using the address. But if it's 455 and you're searching for it, 455, this is it. It's right next to Westgate. It's right on the monorail line. So it's a really good location. There's Sahara. And it's a short walk to Fontainebleau. Very short walk.
Champion. That's what I'm saying.
Really good equipment. Hopefully I'll remember to put the exact street, but you can see the address and you can tell what it is. So keep it on your list of good locations. So you can see how close it is to Westgate, basically right next door. They're having a truck show next door right now. A lot of trucks, really good looking trucks. But anyway, this is something you should consider when you see it come up on your search. Hilton Grand Vacation 455, and I'm gonna get the exact road and I'll put that in the video, but I don't know what road they're calling that. I don't know if they're calling it the side road, or if they're calling it University Center, or if they're calling it Joe Brown. Probably Joe Brown. So I'll put that in the video, I promise.